the 2025 Ford F-150 continues to uphold its reputation as America's best-selling truck, bringing a refined blend of rugged utility and modern innovation. At first glance, the exterior design remains true to the F-150's legacy of bold and muscular, but with some sleek updates. The front grille has been slightly reshaped for a more aerodynamic look, and the LED lighting signature is sharper, giving the truck a confident, high-tech appearance. New wheel options and paint finishes add more customization for buyers looking to stand out. Under the hood, Ford offers a variety of powertrain options to suit different needs. There's the tried-and-true 3.5 liters ecoboost V8 that balances power with efficiency, and for those who demand more muscle, the 5.0 liters V8 remains a strong performer with excellent towing capabilities. The Power Boost hybrid option returns as well, delivering impressive torque and fuel economy, along with the added benefit of Power Onboard, an integrated generator system that can power tools, tailgate parties, or even small appliances during power outages. Whether hauling heavy loads or cruising on the highway, the 2025 F-150 handles with confidence, thanks to improved suspension tuning and responsive steering. Inside, the cabin reflects a thoughtful approach to both comfort and functionality. Materials feel more premium than ever, with soft touch surfaces, improved stitching, and a clean dashboard layout. The 12-inch touchscreen is standard on most trims, powered by Ford's latest Sync 5 system, which offers a faster, more intuitive user experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come included, and higher trims introduce features like a Bang & Olufsen sound system, massaging front seats, and a panoramic sunroof that fills the cabin with natural light. Storage options are plentiful, with clever compartments under the rear seats and a fold-flat work surface on the center console, perfect for mobile professionals. Safety and driver assistance technologies are another strong point for the F-150. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite comes standard with features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Available upgrades include BlueCruise, Ford's hands-free highway driving system, which has been refined for 2025 with better mapping and smoother lane changes. These systems not only add peace of mind but also make long trips and daily commutes far less tiring. What really sets the 2025 F-150 apart is its versatility. It continues to serve as a capable work truck, a comfortable family vehicle, and even a tech-savvy commuter, depending on how it's configured. With a wide range of trims from the rugged XL to the luxurious Platinum Plus, there's an F-150 for nearly every kind of driver. Combine that with Ford's ongoing commitment to quality, innovation, and a growing focus on electrification, and it's clear that the 2025 model is more than just a refresh. It's a confident step forward in the evolution of the modern pickup.